Good morning class. Welcome to VBS Learning Again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi. Class, as we have completed our syllabus of literature book, workbook and language. Now we have to complete the rest exercise and explanation of the chapter number 10 in our reader book. So class, today we will complete this chapter. So I will first explain what is the story of the chapter, then we have to complete one exercise of the chapter number 10. So watch the video carefully and then do exercise number first of chapter number 10.
Yes, class. So, from here we have to start today. The clock struck 12, mean it was 12 o'clock. The sound was loud enough to startle means to make surprise Fred. He put back to the volume of trouble with a sigh of regret, means he was feeling sad because time is over now. He found with some trouble the book Mrs. Marshall wanted and ran all the way home to make up for lost time. Means he was very sad that he was unable to find out that book and he lost the time. Though he was though he was too shy to talk about them, she mind was his mind was full of wonders of which he had been reading. I never knew there was such thing. It's like having a new world to look at. I wish I could read some more, but perhaps Mrs. Marshall won't ever ask me to go again, he thought. Means he was very excited to learn more books related such type of thing related to the world, but he said that Mrs. Marshall will never ask him again to go because he was unable to find out the book. Mrs. Marshall, however, did more than that. Why don't you ask your mother to get you a library ticket, Fred? She asked when Fred, flushed and breathless after his run, presented himself before her. Mrs. Marshall said to Fred, ask to your mother to arrange a library ticket for you, then you will be able to go to Will's library when you want to go. And Fred was very breathless, miss बहुत ही घबराया था, uneasy. Me, why I couldn't, Mrs. Marshall, I am not grown up, said the little boy wistfully. Miss, he said that I'm not surprisingly, means he said that, yes, with great desire, you can say, he said that I am not a grown up child, means I am a little boy, so my mother will not allow me to go. Oh, that's doesn't matter in the least, Mrs. Marshall assured him. Come now, Fred, she added, I owe you a good turn. I will do my best to get you a ticket. Miss, I will request your mother to allow you to go to the library. Mrs. Marshall was as good as her word, and Mrs. Marshall was very good lady. And Fred, the proud possessor of the ticket of his own, was soon a regular visitor to the library. He had come to the end of his dull days, for as a poet truly says, books we know are as substantial word, both pure and good. And Fred had found this out. Mrs. Marshall arranged a library ticket for Fred, and now Fred was a regular visitor of the library, and he had become to the end of his dermis. He was very happy that he has library ticket and we can go to the library to spend his time and where he will get new knowledge about the world. So it is said that books we know are a substantial means a large amount value of important, means have a good collection about the world, about the country, universe, means full of knowledge, both pure and good. And the knowledge, the world of book, both pure and good. And Fred had found दिस आउट, और फ्राइड ने इस वर्ड को रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया है, आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है. सो क्लास, what you have to do, you have to just read the chapter again and then you have to write this exercise in your copy. Exercise number first, mark the following statement true or false. First is the summer holiday were on. Yes, it was a summer holiday. Fred was staying with his friend. No, Fred was alone. So false. Fred's parents were very busy. Yes, they don't have time to spend with their child, both father and mother. Fred always had plenty to do. No, nothing have to do. He usually ran errands for his parents. No, sometime. He usually ran errands for his parents, मीन्स वो कभी कभी तो शॉप पे जाता था. सो क्लास, देन द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हाउ डू यू थिंक फ्रेड फेल्ट व्हेन ही वॉज आस्क्ड टू गो टू द लाइब्रेरी? टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. एक्सप्लेन योर चॉइस. ही वॉज हैप्पी, ही वॉज नर्वस और एक्साइटेड. He was very excited because first time he was going to the library. So class, you also have to read and learn word meaning. It will not come in the exam, but you must have to know meaning of these words. So class, you have to read these word meaning.